Hey, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services, your local home service provider for gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, and siding cleaning. Let me flip this camera around, and what I'm going to show you after cleaning the gutters, we saw some insect problems that you can protect yourself from. Okay, so we're in the middle of a gutter clean right now, and this gutter had gutter sponges. You can see the trees and stuff that were growing out of them. And you know, inside the gutter here, I recently had to make a repair because this gutter spike here, over time they just worked their way out. But I wanted to point out this little bug. He's pretty cold right now. He's not moving around right now. I hope I'm not grossing you out. But a minute ago he was squirming, and you know, your roof is full of your fascia boards are completely full of wood that you need to keep protected. And if you allow your gutters to overfill with water, you can end up with a lot of insect problems, ants, those weird grubs we just saw a minute ago. Please don't allow your gutters to get to this point. And you know, we at Multi-Man Services have all different types of screen type options. If you look at the rest of this video, I'm going to go ahead and explain a little bit about what you can do to prevent this from happening at your home. Alright, so over here we got our gutter screens on. These are the ultra flow screens that will keep the majority of the stuff out and let all the water go in. And the reason why we like these is because we can actually power wash over top of these, and we don't have to like remove these to clean the debris that may get under there. So we just got done with the gutter clean. Let me flip the camera around and show you what it looked like before we started. Okay, you can see here that we were taking gutter sponges out. The sponges are in that bag there. But I'd like to show you what happens over time when you don't do gutter cleaning on a regular basis. You see all this muck inside the shingle? This is all the aggregate from the shingle, the granulars. And what happens over time is your shingle dries out, and after we get done with the screen installation, we're going to do a roof clean. We did a test spot here to make sure that we were happy with the results. But when you start getting moss, lichen, algae starting to grow like this, it's time for roof maintenance. We don't just let our roofs rot away. So within a short while, we're going to get this roof nice and restored, get all these screens on this gutter. This is a dirty, dangerous job. The last thing you want is to have someone come up here that's inexperienced. This is all we do. Multi-Man Services, gutter screen cleaning, gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, low pressure soft washing, roof maintenance. If you see that chimney over there, what we're going to do in a minute is do a chimney tune-up. There's a lot of cracks in the mortar, so we're going to put some sealant all along all the cracks of the mortar to make sure that we don't have a worse problem in the chimney. So with each roof cleaning, we're also going to do a roof tune-up, and that way we can ensure that your roof is going to last. But keep in mind, cleaning is just one part of the roof maintenance. Your roof is drying out, so it needs to be conditioned just like you would your ashy elbows, your driveway, your deck. And you know, your roof has a lot of tread left on it, so there's no point in replacing it. So after we get done with the cleaning here, we can apply a conditioning treatment to help further extend the life of your roof and save you a lot of money by maintaining it, keeping it hydrated, expansion and contraction. You won't lose all those granulars we saw in the gutter a minute ago, and this way you don't have to replace your roof sooner than you need. Thanks for watching this video.